Hi, I'm Chef J. Michael Melton, head of culinary for Impossible Foods. Today, I'm going to walk you through a recipe that's featured at the Epcot International Food and Wine Festival. It's the Impossible Burger Sliders with wasabi cream and spicy Asian slaw. You can also find this recipe on Kroger.com and easily add all of these ingredients to your shopping cart to make it easy to execute at home. Let's get into it. All right, we've prepped and measured all the ingredients. I have the sambal, the soy sauce, granulated sugar, sesame oil, ginger, garlic, and lime, ready for our slaw dressing, and we're gonna walk you through it. First, we're gonna add the sambal, the soy sauce, the granulated sugar, sesame oil, the garlic, and the ginger. We're just gonna put this over heat on the stove, just hot enough to dissolve the sugar, and then once it's cooled, we'll add the lime juice. So again, I've added all the ingredients to this pot, a little bit of heat, just enough for the sugar to dissolve. It's cooled down. Now we're gonna add the lime juice. Now we're gonna move into building the slaw. We'll start with the green cabbage and the shredded carrots, thinly sliced poblano peppers, green papaya, finely chopped cilantro, and our slaw dressing that's been reserved. You wanna mix this close to time so the slaw stays crunchy, but you can just mix this up and set it aside and get ready for building your burgers. All right, now we're gonna make the wasabi mayo. First, I'm gonna add the wasabi powder, touch of water, mix this up. Your mayo or plant-based mayo, and a little bit of salt. We're just gonna mix this up. There you have it, wasabi mayo. All right, now we're gonna season up some Impossible and form them for our sliders. So it's about 18 ounces of Impossible, 1.5 packs should be great. So adding some sambal, some salt, some pepper, a touch of oil to get everything moving. So we're gonna take this mixture and form it into 6 even patties. We're gonna get on to cooking after this. Impossible performs and cooks similar to beef. So as you're making contact with this hot surface, let it sit, don't move it, so you build that caramelization before you flip it. Beautiful, just like a burger, you can check it out. Amazing. We're just gonna cook it for about 3 minutes on this side, and then we'll get into the build. Okay, now we're ready to build everything. We've done all the work, now the piece de resistance. A little bit of the wasabi mayo, a touch of arugula on top of that. Just give your burger a nice landing spot. We're all cooked up. Slide that right on top. And our delicious, spicy Asian slaw. Boom, and there you have it. Super simple recipe. You can go check it out yourself at Epcot International Food and Wine Festival, or you can go to Kroger.com, check out the recipe, and follow along with me. I'm J. Michael Melton with Impossible Foods.